See these kids? They meet outside Charlie's house every day after lunch with a shiny nickel apiece to buy a Wonka bar at local candy man. The only kid with no nickel is Charlie.
It's Candyman! What are you going to get?
Hey Charlie, let me pick something out. I got a nickel.
You have already got a lollipop. Shouldn't you finish it first?
I can't help it. I love candy. All candy. Chocolate, caramel, jawbreakers, suckers.
Stop it! You're making my mouth water.
Alright everybody, gather around the candy man's here. Now what kind of candy do you want? Sweet chocolate, chocolate melted candy, gumdrops, anything you want. You've come to the right man because I'm the candy man. You can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, cover it with chocolate and a miracle or two. The candy man, the candy man can, the candy man can, 'cause she mixes it with love, makes the world taste good. If you take a rainbow, wrap it in the side, soak it in the sun, make a groovy lemon pie. The candy man, the candy man can, the candy man can, 'cause she mixes it with love, makes the world taste good. The candy man makes every rich taste satisfying and delicious. Talk about your childhood wishes.